What's up, everybody? I'm Brigitte Bidet, and I'm about to show you all the things that I slap on my face to get pretty. Let's move on to the next step, which is mascara. I think Benefit makes some of the best mascaras in the game. I like to try all different kinds from them whenever I can. Of course, Roller Lash is the best. And we're gonna use this one today, which is Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. Taking our mascara, making sure we don't have too much on the applicator. Now we're just gonna take it in, starting at the base of the eyelash, pull it out. Sweeping motions. Use whatever's left over on the bottom lashes. Brush it through. I like it to be a little clumpy, a little chunky mascara. So we just want a nice coat to blend them into all this black makeup that we have. This is the current state of my face.